Oh no, I have big problem.
What is wrong, honey? What is the problem?
I need to fly next month, but I do not speak English well. What should I do?
Do not worry, do not worry. Today I will teach you airport English. It is very, very easy.
Really? But I always feel so nervous at the airport.
Daddy, I want to learn too. I want to learn English.
Great. Let us start. First step. Listen carefully. When you arrive at the airport, you need to check in.
Check in? What does that mean? I do not understand.
Check in means you go to the counter. You give them your passport, and they give you a boarding pass. Easy, right?
Oh, so what do I say?
Very simple. You say, I want to check in. Please repeat after me. I want to check in, please.
I want to check in, please.
Again, I want to check in, please.
I want to check in, please.
One more time, slowly. I want to check in, please.
I want to check in, please.
Perfect, excellent. Now the staff will ask you a question. They will say, can I see your passport?
Can I see your passport? What do I say?
You say, here you are. Just 3 words, here you are.
Here you are.
Yes, again, here you are.
Here you are.
Here you are. Here you are.
Very good, little one. Now, the staff might ask, do you have any bags to check?
Bags to check? What is that?
Big bags. Bags that go under the plane. If you have a big bag, say, yes, 1 bag, or yes, 2 bags.
Yes, 1 bag.
Good. Repeat, yes, 1 bag.
Yes, 1 bag.
If you do not have a big bag, say no, just carry on.
No, just carry on.
Carry on means small bag. Small bag you take on the plane.
Mommy, what if I forget? What if I cannot remember?
Do not worry, little one, just point at your bag. Point and say, this one. Easy.
This one, this one.
Next question. The staff will ask, would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window? Aisle? I do not understand these words.
Let me explain slowly. Window seat means you sit next to the window. You can look outside. You can see the clouds, the sky.
Oh, window seat, look outside.
Aisle seat means you sit next to the aisle. The aisle is the walking path. You can stand up easily. You can go to the bathroom easily.
Aisle seat, stand up easily.
So which one do you want?
I want window seat. I want to see the sky.
Then say window seat, please. Repeat.
Window seat, please.
Again, window seat, please.
Window seat, please.
Or you can say aisle seat, please.
Aisle seat, please.
I want window seat. I want window seat.
Ha ha! Good choice, little one. After that, the staff gives you your boarding pass. They will say, your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 3 p.m.
Gate B12, boarding at 3 p.m.
And you say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, let us practice. I will be the staff. You answer. Ready?
Okay, I am ready.
Hello, can I see your passport?
Here you are.
Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, 1 bag.
Window seat or aisle seat?
Window seat, please.
Here is your boarding pass. Gate B12. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Wonderful, you did it.
Yay, Mommy is so smart.
Now next step. Security check. Do not be scared.
Security? Is that scary?
No, not scary at all. They just check your bag. They just check your body. Very normal, very safe.
Okay, what do I need to do?
They will say, please take off your shoes and put your bag on the tray.
Take off shoes, really?
Yes. Remove your shoes. Put them in the tray. A tray is a plastic box. Also, take out your laptop. Take out your phone. Put them in the tray.
Oh, okay, shoes, laptop, phone, all in the tray.
Exactly. Then they say, please walk through. You walk through the machine.
Walk through, like this?
Yes, just walk, slowly, relaxed.
But what if the machine beeps? What if it makes noise?
Do not worry. They will check you. Just stand still. Raise your arms like this.
Like Superman, like a superhero.
Ha ha! Yes! Exactly like a superhero. Arms up! After check, you take your things and go.
That is it? That is all?
That is it. Very simple. Remember, take off shoes, put things in tray, walk through. Now your boarding pass says gate B12. You need to find your gate.
But the airport is so big. What if I cannot find it?
Easy. Just ask someone. Ask the staff. Say, excuse me, where is gate B12?
Excuse me, where's gate B12?
Good! Again!
Excuse me, where is gate B12?
One more time, slowly.
Excuse me, where is gate B12?
Perfect. They might say, go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, turn left.
If you do not understand, you can say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Or you can say, can you show me on the map?
Can you show me on the map?
These are very useful phrases. Repeat them every day.
Daddy, what if I need the bathroom?
Good question, little one. You ask, excuse me, where is the restroom?
Restroom, is that the bathroom?
Yes, restroom means bathroom. Also, some people say toilet, all the same.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Now, let us talk about boarding. Boarding means getting on the plane.
Oh, boarding, getting on the plane.
When it is time to board, they will say, now, boarding rows 20 to 30.
Rows, what is my row?
Look at your boarding pass. It says your seat number, like 25A. That means row 25, seat A.
Oh, so I am in row 25.
Right. Wait for your row. When they call row 25, you go to the gate.
Then what do I do?
Give them your boarding pass. They scan it, beep, and they say, have a nice flight.
What do I say?
You say thank you.
Thank you.
Or you can say thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you, have a nice day.
Now you are on the plane. Exciting. You need to find your seat.
What if someone is in my seat?
Polite question. You say, excuse me, I think this is my seat.
Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
Again.
Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
If you need help with your bag, ask the flight attendant. Say, can you help me with my bag?
Can you help me with my bag?
Mommy, I am thirsty. I am so thirsty.
Perfect timing. On the plane, the flight attendant will come to you. She will ask, "Would you like something to drink?"
How do I answer?
You can say water, please, or orange juice, please, or coffee, please.
Orange juice, please.
Me too. Me too. Orange juice, please.
Ha ha! Everyone wants orange juice. Okay, let us review everything. Big review time.
Okay, I am ready.
At the check-in counter, you say,
I want to check in, please.
"Good, they ask for your passport." You say,
Here you are.
they ask about bags. You say,
Yes, one bag.
they ask about seat. You say,
Window seat, please.
you cannot find your gate. You ask,
Excuse me, where's gate B12?
you need the bathroom. You ask,
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
on the plane, someone is in your seat. You say,
Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
the flight attendant asks about drinks. You say,
Orange juice, please.
perfect! Perfect! You know everything!
Wow, I really did it. I feel so confident now.
See? Airport English is not difficult. Just practice every day.
I learned so much today. I am not scared anymore.
Remember, practice these phrases every day. Say them loud. Say them many times.
I will. I will practice every day.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you next time.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.